Hello, everyone. Etisane. Yay! Now you know how to say it. In the last video, if you haven't listened to it, go back and listen. We learned Etisane, which is how are you? How are you? Etisane. And Ghana is a Christian country that quite spiritual. It's a very interesting dynamics in that country, even though there are other religions there, but Christianity is predominantly the majority. And most of our phrases are embodied in Christianese. And one such sentence or phrase is how we respond to it is saying. It is saying someone will respond, Nyame adom. Nyame is God. Adom is grace. Adom grace. Have you listened to Diana Hamilton's song? Adom grace. We'll be playing it for you to listen, okay? So Nyame Adom, which literally means by his grace. Nyame Adom, by his grace. So that's a way to respond when someone asks you to say, or Obekane say in the long version. Obekane say, Nyame Nadom mehoye. Nyame Nadom mehoye. That's a long version of saying, by the grace of God, I'm doing well. Do you like that one? I think that one is nicer. I mean, saying Nyame Adom, it sounds incomplete sentence by his grace. But when you say Nyame ne Adom mehoye, by the grace of God, Almighty God, I'm doing well. Let's try it again. Nyame ne Adom mehoye. Nyame ne Adom mehoye. And remember what I taught you. You don't slang it, it's shortened, okay? Nyame. We don't say nyame. We say nyame. Nyame ne adom. And I say nyame adom mehoye. Nyame adom mehoye. Or nyame nadom mehoye. Nyame ne adom mehoye. Try it. Give a comment and let me know how you were able to pronounce it. And we'll let in the next video another version of how to respond at a send. Isn't it amazing that just one question, we have so many ways of answering it just in tree, Ashanti tree. So you can imagine how it's said in other languages in Ghana, like the Fanti, which people think is the most romantic language, similar to French. One day I will give you those words. But for now, let's say one more time before I get off. Say, Nyame nadom mehoye. Nyame nadom mehoye. Great, you got it? All right. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.